How to set up a second Google My Business profile. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can set up multiple Google My Business profiles. So let's get into it. Now, it's very essential for any business out there to have a Google My Business profile nowadays. A lot of people find a lot of the things that they need using Google My Business. When you're trying to look for a dry cleaner, you just look it up on Google and you see the near results you have, dry cleaners near me, and then you just pick out one from there. And this can be used to your advantage by creating multiple listings. However, there are some caveats that you need to understand. So you can see that you have so many different listings if you search for electrician on Google. And you can see the locations of all of these. Now, what does creating a second profile really mean? A second profile would be that you have, your business over here. So let's say your business is located around here. And then if you create another profile and you list it over there, because you're an electrician, you don't really need to operate your own office. The services you provide, you go to the people to provide the service. This will actually widen your prospects because people living in that area will also see your Google My Listings when they search for, electricians within, 1 kilometer. And then people that are in this area are obviously going to see your listing as well. So in this way, you will be able to, set up multiple Google listings. Now, there are some things you need to keep in mind. If you set up fake Google listings, then your account will be banned. And by account, that doesn't mean that your fake listing will be banned, but the email address that you have used to create your listings, so all of your listings would be created on one singular email address, all of them will be banned and all of your listings will be removed from Google. So even a legitimate listing that you have created for a physical store that you might actually have would be removed if you're caught adding fake Google listings, or if you're caught creating second Google business profiles where you actually don't have business. Now, there are some requirements you need to meet before you get started with creating Google listings. Now, the requirements are that if you want to create a second listing for a business, then let's say I have a physical location for my business nearby the Lowry Sports Complex Park, so I have it around Lowry Boulevard. And for me to create a second listing, it needs to have separate staff operating it, and it needs to be a separate physical location I can provide the same services, but it needs to be operated by other staff, and it needs to be working, at the same time as your original business. So if it's a physical location with separate staff, even if you're providing the same services, then you can create a second Google listing. Now, to get started with creating your Google listing, all you have to do is go on to google.com/business and you're going to click on Manage Now. Once you click on Manage Now, you're just going to enter your business name. Now, once you enter a business name, they might show you, a few examples of your business. If you already have created a profile, they will show you your business. So let's say that you are electrician online. That is going to be your business name. The first profile, whatever you used to create that email, you can do that. And then you can click on request access and then allow yourself to create a second profile. Now, if you don't want to create a second profile, you can just set up your business with your business name. You're going to click on continue, and then you're just going to click on continue over here. Now, once you have added the business name or verified your business listing via your first listing, so use your email to just get the verification, and then you're going to add what kind of business do you do. So if you are a local store, if you're an online retailer, or if you're in the service business where you go to people's houses. So let's say I'm in the service business, you're going to select that. So we're going to add our category. And after that, you're going to add the specific area that you want to serve, and then you can choose to skip this for now. And then you're going to add your phone number and website. Now, once you have input your phone number, you can begin setting up your business on your map. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on continue over here, and then you're going to add the specific range or the specific locality that you are serving. Before you do that, you have to verify by entering your mailing address. Now, why is a mailing address so important? The reason for a mailing address to be important is because Google is actually going to send you a code on that specific address to make sure that you are in that specific location. So they will give you a code and then you will use that to verify your address, and then your listing will be a verified listing on Google. Now we can set that up later, but before that you can add all of your services on your Google profile. So let's say these are all the services you provide. You can click on show more to see these specific services, the popular services that are searched for on Google, and you can add them. And then if there is any custom service, you can click on add custom service and add your own custom services that you might provide in your business. And then you're just going to click on next over here. Once you click on next, you can begin by adding your business hours. So let's say that we are going to be working Sunday to Thursday, and let's say our business runs 24 hours. And then you're just going to click on next over here. And once you do that, you can choose whether or not you want to accept messaging directly from Google. So if you want, you can. If you don't, you can skip it. But let's say we just want to accept messaging. And then you're going to add your business description. So make sure you're adding like a nice description about your business. Be like, hey, we are this company and we provide this service. And then you're just going to click on next, and then you can add some photos as well, and then you can get $500 in free advertising credit from Google. And now you can just click on continue, and this is currently our business listing. It's not super optimized, but this is how it's going to be like. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you're now able to set up second listings on Google, and you understand the benefit of setting up a second listing, as well as some of the risks that you might encounter if you are setting up a second business without meeting the requirements to set up a second business profile. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to follow along with these methods and techniques that I showed in this video. And if you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible, because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below, and I will make future videos according to those. And if you have any specific topics that you look forward to, also leave those in the comment box down below, and I will try to make videos on those as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.